In assessing some of the problems that do not involve regrouping, in this case, each of our columns, the number on top is larger than the numerals on the lower part of it. No regrouping is needed. So your child may be able to take this column by column and say, how do I get from a 6 to an 8? Instead of using the zeroed numbers that are much easier to work with. But shortcutting it, if I add 2 to the 6, I will get 8. So let's add 2 pennies to this and get $3.58. I've just neutralized the ones column. Coming to the next position, how do I make 50 into a 90? Because these are the tens columns. So how do I do 50 into 90? I would have to add another 40 cents to that to make this $3.98. Okay, I added 40 cents to this. Now the 98 part, here we had the 8 neutralized. Here we have the 98 neutralized. Now let's see what we can do about the dollars. How do I get from $3 to $8? Well, that would be $5 that I would need for that, which would make this $8.98. Exactly what I have on as my top number here in my subtraction problem. If I add these monies together, I would get to 4 and 5. $5.42 would be what I would have left in my pocket if I started with $8.98 and spent this much of it. I'd still have $5.42 left. Let's check that out using subtraction. In the ones column, 8 take away 6 is 2. 9 take away 5 is 4. My decimal point is here, and 8 take away 3 is 5. So we got the answer 2 different ways. One through thinking of subtraction, one thinking of addition. Why do we need all of these different ways? Because we don't know how your child is able to process information. Your child's brain may be more adept at doing an addition step than a subtraction. Any way that your child makes is accurate and then builds up some speed with it is your child's way of processing and working with these figures. And sometimes your child may use one type of strategy in some cases and another type of strategy in a different situation. If I can show you as many ways as I can think of to explain it, then your child, if your child has an open mind to this and just tries the different strategies, then your child has the ability to incorporate what really does work for him or her.